If Microsoft Word has stopped working on your device, then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart your PC. When MS Word is not working, restart your computer. A fresh restart can often fix temporary glitches. Turn off your PC and disconnect from the primary power source. Wait for some time and reconnect everything. Turn the computer on and try to open Word. If Word still does not respond, then go to the next step. Method 2. Check for issues in clean boot state. The programs and services running in the background interfere with Word and cause issues. So perform a clean boot to disable those unnecessary running services. Press Windows plus R keys to launch the Run utility. Enter msconfig in the Run command box and hit Enter. The System Configuration window will open now. Select the Services tab and check the box right beside Hide All Microsoft Services. Click on the Disable All option. This will stop all the programs that are running in the background except the Microsoft services. Close the window and right-click on your taskbar. Click on Task Manager. Next, click on the Startup tab and right-click on the programs you want to disable. Click the Disable option. After finishing the process, restart your PC. Now launch Word and check. Method 3. Restart Word in Safe Mode. Safe Mode provides minimum functionalities. If Word file could not open due to extensions or add-ins, then opening it in Safe Mode will load the app without templates or add-ins. Here is how to open Word in Safe Mode. Press Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog box. Enter WinWord or Safe in the Run dialog box and press the Enter key. To exit Safe Mode, close the window and restart the Office application again. This will start Office in normal mode. Method 4. Repair the problematic Word file. Navigate the Word file you cannot open. Right-click on the file and select the Open with option. Click on the Microsoft Office Word option. The next time the files should open correctly. You can also use the Repair feature to open the corrupted Word file. To do so, follow the steps given below. Try opening another Word file. Click on the Office or File button. Select Open. In the Search Document section, search from the file using the name. Find the particular Word file. Select the problematic file, click on the bottom's drop-down menu for the Open option and select Open and Repair. Method 5. Repair or reset Office. To repair or reset Microsoft Office, click on Windows Start menu and select Settings. Select Apps from the given options and scroll down to find Office from the installed apps. Click on the three dots menu and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and select Repair. When you choose to repair Office, the app's data won't be affected. If this doesn't work, then select the Reset option. If you choose the Reset option, the app's data will get deleted. Choose either the Repair or Reset option as per your choice and wait till the process gets completed. Method 6. Repair Word from Control Panel. You can also repair Word from Control Panel. Here is how to do so. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Open Programs and Features. Right-click on Microsoft Office from the app list. Select Change option. Select Quick Repair and click on Repair option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 7. Disable add-ins. Sometimes the extensions or add-ins are the culprits that cause problems while opening Word. Press Windows plus R to open Run utility. Type winword.exe/a in the run command box and press enter. They should open Word in safe mode without plugins. Or you can also use winword/save to start Word in safe mode as shown previously. If Word starts in safe mode, click on File or Office button, then Options or Word Options. Choose Add-ins, then click on the Go button beside the Manage tab. From the dialog box, uncheck the checkboxes next to the add-ins. This will disable the add-ins. To save the changes, click on the OK button. If you cannot perform the steps, then go to the next solution. Method 8. Update Office and Windows. There is a setting in Windows that downloads updates automatically for the other installed Microsoft products on your PC along with the Windows update. When you are having problem with a particular Word file, update Office along with the other Windows update to fix the problem. To do that, open Windows Settings. From the left panel, select Windows Update. Then select Advanced Options. Next, turn on the toggle for Receive Updates for other Microsoft products option. Install updates if any. Once done, restart your PC and relaunch Word. Method 9. Check the activation status of Office. If your Microsoft Office suite is not activated properly, you may also come across a Microsoft Word stopped working issue. In that case, you need to reactivate it with your serial key. To check the status in Office 2013 and newer versions, try opening a Word document on your computer. Select File, then go to Account. Look for the Product Information section from the right pane. If your Microsoft Office is activated, it will say Product Activated. If not, you need to activate it properly. Method 10. Insert the problematic Word document into another file. Microsoft Word can stop working when you try to open your previously saved documents. In this case, you can try inserting the Word document into another file and see if this works. Try to open a blank new Word file. Click on the Insert tab from the top ribbon menu, then click on Object. Select Create from File from the top. Click on the Browse button and browse to the problematic file. Select the file, click on Insert, then OK. Check the document content and save it as a new file on your PC. Method 11. Remove Word registry keys. There is a key in the registry that stores frequently used options in Word. If you remove or delete the key, Word should rebuild it the next time you start Word by using the default settings. This can fix the problem. But remember, tweaking the registry can be a bit tricky and cause issues. So make sure to back up all the necessary data before performing the steps. Here is how to delete the Word registry key. Open Run and type regedit in the Run command box. Then hit Enter. Follow the path to locate the Word Options key. hkey_current_user/software/Microsoft/Office/your Windows version/Word/options. Locate and right-click the key and select Export. Name the options key as wddata.reg and save it on your desktop. Now get back to Registry Editor and locate the options key and delete it. Once done, exit Registry Editor. Restart Word and check if the problem is resolved. If the problem persists, run the wddata.reg on your desktop to restore the deleted key. Method 12. Close unnecessarily running programs. Programs running in the background can also conflict with Word and cause issues. So, close the unnecessary apps. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the processes you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill. Then exit the window and try to open Word. Method 13. Address the normal .m template replacement. Type CMD in the Windows search and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. In the elevated command prompt window, type or copy and paste this command from the description and press enter. Wait for the process to complete. Once done, you can exit command prompt. Launch Word again to check if you can now edit documents or create new files. Remember that modifying the global template file may result in the loss of some customization features such as styles and macros. Method 14. Reinstall Office. If you are still having the same issue MS Office, to do so, press Windows plus R to open Run utility. Enter appwiz.cpl in the Run dialog box. Press the Enter key to run the command. Find Microsoft Office from the installed apps. Right-click on it and select Uninstall option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Reinstall Word and check. And there you have it. The 14 solutions to fix the issue when Microsoft Word is not working. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.